Stop. Everything you thought you knew about Meta Quest 4 just changed. For the last 2 years, we've been hearing rumors about Project Pismo, the promised high-end successor to the Quest 3. We expected a simple upgrade, a better screen, and a faster chip. But as we move into the first quarter of 2026, the leaked internal memos from Reality Labs have sent a shockwave through the industry. Meta isn't just making another headset. They're in the middle of a civil war. On one side, Mark Zuckerberg is pushing for Project Puffin, a lightweight, glass-like device that fits in your pocket. On the other side, the gaming division is fighting for a traditional powerhouse. Today, we are breaking down the absolute latest leaks from January 2026. We are talking about the secret 3.2K Super Pancake optics, the debut of the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 3, and the return of a feature we thought was dead forever: eye and face tracking. If you're a VR enthusiast, a gamer, or someone waiting to jump into mixed reality, you need to hear this. Because the Quest 4 we are getting in 2026 is not the one you were promised. It's better. The death of Project Pismo and the birth of the new Quest 4. Let's address the elephant in the room. Just a few months ago, leaked memos confirmed that Meta canceled Pismo High and Pismo Low. The internet panicked. Everyone thought Quest 4 was dead. But here is the truth. They didn't cancel the Quest 4, they canceled the boring version of it. Meta realized that incremental updates weren't enough to beat the Apple Vision Pro or the upcoming Samsung XR. They went back to the drawing board to build a gaming-focused monster. The internal codename has shifted. We are now looking at a device that prioritizes unit economics and hardcore performance. This means Meta is stripping away the business productivity fluff, which they just officially discontinued in January 2026, and returning to their roots. This is a headset built for the player. The brain, Snapdragon XR2 Gen 3 and AI integration. The original Quest 3 was a powerhouse, but it's starting to show its age with 2020 SAXS AI-heavy applications. The Quest 4 is confirmed to be the launch vehicle for the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 3. Why does this matter? Because this chip is built on a 3-nanometer process. It's not just about 50% more GPU power. It's about the dedicated neural compute layer. For the first time, the Quest 4 will handle environmental AI locally. This means the headset will recognize every object in your room, your couch, your cat, your coffee cup, and integrate them into the game world with zero latency. No more guardian boundaries popping up and ruining your immersion. The world is your guardian. Visuals: 3.2K Super Pancake optics. Apple set the bar with the Vision Pro, and Meta is finally responding. The Quest 4 is moving to Super Pancake optics. These lenses are thinner, lighter, and offer a much wider field of view, rumored to be over 110 degrees. But the resolution is the real story. We're looking at 3.2K pixels per eye. While it's not quite the 4K micro-OLED of the Vision Pro, it uses a new localized dimming LCD tech that provides nearly identical blacks. This allows Meta to keep the price down while giving you a visual experience that makes the Quest 3 look blurry. Text will be crystal clear. You won't just be playing games. You'll be able to work in a virtual office for 8 hours